Okay, friends, today you reviewed short vowels. And just a reminder, a short vowel makes a sound and a long vowel says its name. So, for example, let's look at your assignment today and look at the first question together. Is the A in the word cat a long or short vowel? So, I want you to look at the picture and say that word out loud. Cat. K-at. Focus on the A in that word. What sound did the A make? Did it say its name or did it make a sound? K-at. If it said its name, it's a long vowel. If the A made its sound like it is a short vowel. So you're going to say cat and pick the A makes its short sound or the A makes its long sound. So listen to that A sound and tell me, is it a short vowel sound or a long vowel sound? The next question, does the O in the word log make its short sound or long sound? So I want you to say that word out loud really slow. Log. L-O-G. Focus on that O. Is it making its short sound or is it saying its name and making its long sound? And last one, does the I in the word tire make its short sound or long sound? Tire. So is it making its sound or is it saying its name? So you're going to pick for these three pictures, say the words out loud, focus on that vowel sound, pick is it long or short, and then hit the submit button down here when you're done.